Samsung Unpacked is finally coming, so we are gonna see some very big news. But before that, let's roll the intro. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today, as I said in the intro, we are gonna talk about the newest event by Samsung, so the Unpacked of this 2023, and it's gonna be on February 1st. So make sure to stay tuned for that day because Samsung will announce some very big news. The very main focus of the event will be, of course, the new series of Samsung S23, and so the S23 family. So it will be the newest S23, S23 Plus, and of course the S23 Ultra. As I saw from videos on the Samsung channel, the event will be, of course, focused more on the Ultra version of the S23, and especially on the camera side of this new S23 Ultra. So let's talk about a little bit more of this new flagship phone by Samsung. So I think the design will not be that much different from the last year S22 Ultra, and it will have the same setup of camera. But this year event, it will be more focused on the night shots, as I could understand from the videos on the Samsung channel on YouTube, and probably on the night shot with zoom lenses. I can see all moonshots video on the Samsung channel. So it's not the first time that Samsung just focused on the night shots. It happened also some years ago, but this year maybe they want to go all in. But anyway, let's talk about the S23 Ultra. So this year we finally will have only one version of this phone. We will not have anymore the Exynos version. So here also in Europe, we are gonna have the Snapdragon version that, in my opinion, it's a lot better than the Exynos version. And it will have, of course, the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so the best of the best, talking about processing power. And also it will be, of course, built with the newest architecture, and so it will be more power efficient. And Samsung says that with this S23 Ultra, you will have a lot more battery compared to the older model, so the S22 Ultra and older. So I hope this is the case because in the Android world, we don't have a flagship phone with a big battery that can last like more than a day, like we have in the Apple side, because we have, of course, this iPhone 14 Pro Max that can last also 2 days. So of course it will be hard to achieve this kind of optimization because they have a lot more stuff to work on the Android world, we can say. But I hope that we can find a flagship phone finally that can last more than a day without any problem. Anyway, let's talk about the camera setup on this new S23 Ultra. So for the first thing, you have a new sensor, the new Samsung ISOCELL sensor, and it will be from 200 megapixel. And I think it will be a big sensor, of course, and hopefully will take also great images, but also good videos. So you will have some improvement on this camera side, especially with this new main sensor. Of course, you will have more detail. If you take a shot with the 200 megapixel mode, it will have a faster shutter speed, so there will be no more delay when you press the shutter button and the photo will be instant. We can have also the RAW mode option, so you can shoot in RAW and then have a very big file to work on. It will be full of details. We will probably have a new stabilization mode in the video side, probably also in 4K. And also we will have 4K portrait in pretty much all the lenses, especially the zoom one. This is nothing confirmed, but with the new processing power and the new camera sensor, all of this stuff, it is of course possible. So as I said in the beginning, you will have probably some more modes to shoot the moon because the event is focused on this, as I understood, and probably you will have a new mode that will be optimized with the zoom lenses and also the main lenses that is from 200 megapixel to shoot the best zoom shot that you can. For the prices, we don't know anything yet, but I think they will be similar or pretty much the same one as the last year units. So I think there will be no price changes. And of course, for the dates, they will launch in the first week or possibly in the second week of February. Anyway, that was pretty much it. If you have some more info on this new event, just drop it down below in the comments. If that's not the case, we will wait till the 1st of February and we will see what Samsung will present at this event. In the meantime, I hope you liked this video. Drop a like down below if you did it. And of course, thank you for watching this video. and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.